DJM TV.
My government don ready to put torchlight for the 30 billion Pogiri water storm work. Our very better people, how una dey? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, and una good day sake of the time wey una take dey look us for our ogbonge day-to-day news story for inside our correct TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una our ogbonge tori for the time when we dey so sake of the tori wey don shele for this time. Our tori for this time go concern the 30 billion Pogiri Benin City plenty water work sake of the governor of Edo State when im name be Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say the way the government when dey before him become governor don do Edo people bebeye. The governor yarn this one for inside Testami Road as him do one torchlight wakament go all the place when plenty water work dey shele for inside Edo State. Him come yarn say the plenty water work remover when the government when be dey before im own government come arrange the arrange when they do to make sure say the plan when they get for the removal of plenty water comot for street no get head for Edo people to enjoy. Mr. Obaseki come here and join say im government go carry torchlight to take do check for inside the arrange when concern the removal of plenty water for street work and to make sure say im draw all the Pogiri wey dey kpake sake of the work. For Governor Godwin Obaseki mouth, una dey see now say the removal of plenty water comot for street work and work when the government when the government when dey before me do na to do Edo people bebeye and wayo. As I dey see now, the work for this area when be Testami Road area no be to removal plenty water for the area but na to take kpake Pogiri. Una go see the kind work when we dey do here now and comparison am with the one when the government when dey before me come become governor do. Una go see say na almost 2 meters na e take different. Him come here and join say e no get any way when you go take removal water comot for lowland come carry am go island. For im mouth again, we say we get expert for Edo State and we pay better Pogiri when pass 30 billion Pogiri for this work, and the person when supervision this work today dey call himself minister when dey supervision big work for the federal government for inside Naija. Na this one we no go agree put. He come give people of Edo State big hope say im government go do everything when im suppose do and when dey in power to fit do to take removal all the plenty water comot for the area and give the people life. For the governor mouth again, he come here and say the people for the former government yarn say dem don removal suffer for the people body when dey Edo State sake of say dem remove plenty water comot and give the people value for their property. The governor come say make dem look now, make dem see wetin dey happen with their own korokoro eyes sake of say the work wey e dey shele now for the area plus the one wey be say e be dey go before make the comparison dem make dem fit take their own decision and see the one wey be say e really mean well for the people wey dey for the area. The governor come still yarn say this big work so when dey go on for inside the Testami catchment area so na just for in 5 years when im don take be governor and the people don see wetin im don fit do for all these 5 years so. Governor Obaseki come yarn join say wetin im government don do now with small Pogiri when dey be say dey fit get and dey manage as dey fit manage am, the people don see say yes they don dey try to remove plenty water comot for the area and to make sure say they go come bring back life to the people when dey for the catchmentation area when the contractor for the work so. For im mouth again, I know they like to use torchlight dey check, but this time we go arrange one parliament to take gather all the informate sake of say wetin really shele. We no go just dey throway gbogiri like that. We must make people to give informate for the time when they take do work for government. And the informate when they go bring come go make sure say e cover everything when e be say dem do. Me as a governor of this state, me I no go like or just fold my hand to watch say people money when e be say dem pay to take dey arrange Edo state wella the way e suppose to be. Some people go just come kpake am like that, and in the name of say dem carry one big work when they put for ground, whereas they plan the work make e be say e no go get head at the end of the day. The governor come here and say no, those people must give us informate and tell us how dem take spend the 30 billion gbogiri for the big work when dem yarn say dem go remove plenty water comot for one community, but the work no come carry any water go anywhere. Mr. Obaseki come yarn join say dem get the liver and kidney to yarn say we leave the work when dem no make or arrange say make e work and get head at the end of the day. So we go take our time and take all the clear carefulness to take get all the gbogiri when e be say dem don thief for the removal of plenty water comot for the street of Edo State work. Still for the matter, na big gbege be wan shele today sake of say the Edo State government come say dem get big informate say some people when dey burn everything, say dem wan go burn the place wey be say the document wey go concern the removal of plenty water comot for street of Edo State work when e be say e go concern the 30 billion gbogiri when e be say the Edo State government don chook mouth now say they wan put torchlight to take do check concern the matter, say dem wan go burn the place where they be keep the document. Sake of this, as the Edo State government yarn say they get information, they come quickly call the popo and the cotis when e dey for Edo State, make dem quickly run go there, make dem go make sure say yes that place dem secure am to make sure say nothing happen to all those documents. Tori man when e still go there talk say as e reach there e see popo boku for the compound, and as e try to ask question nobody wan try give am anything sake of informate. Say so, but as e stay there observe, e come observation say the koti wey dey there and the popo wey dey there, before anybody go enter inside the place they go make sure say dem check the person well to make sure say yes the person clean to fit enter the place. E come see observe say some persons suppose dey waka up and down, so the koti people come dey suspect say maybe na dem na be the bonbon people when they be sent come make they come bonbon the place, but the koti people come still dey ground boku to make sure say yes nothing happen to the building and nothing happen to the document when e dey for inside the building. So country people, na there our tori for still na ground for this time. We wan thank una for the time wey una don take dey look our ogbonge day to day tori since as we dey yarn am as e take shele. We wan still use this time take beg una say make una like and make una knack una comment for our comment box concerning the matter when we carry come. So we like to hear from una how una still see the matter. The same time we wan still beg una make una subscribe to our YouTube channel if una never do so all this time wey be say una don take dey look our day to day tori. Inside there we wan still beg una make e be say una follow us for all our social media handles. Until next time when we go come una way again with another ogbonge tori when go don shele for that time. My name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.